There is a guy in front of me doing something bad. It is pushing the nest owner to one side. This bad guy is the cuckoo bird. It's so abominable, especially parasitizing in other birds' nests. Judging from the height, the black baby above is much bigger than this one. It has grown wings and big feathers. But this guy didn't take his elder brother seriously. It desperately pushed its big brother out of the nest. What will happen to the baby bird above in the end? Let's continue reading. The black baby above is getting closer and closer to the single edge. It's getting more and more dangerous. This guy pushes it up again. It immediately fell under the nest. This guy keeps pushing and pushing. The baby bird above has reached the edge of the nest. It's about to fall down. But at this moment, looking at the cuckoo bird, it seems a little tired. Its strength is starting to run out. It's very tired. The baby bird is still flapping its wings. It's almost falling. However, the cuckoo bird is still pushing back desperately. But it seems to be losing strength. Good guy. Outside, this baby bird is holding onto a branch with its claws. It hangs from the edge of the nest. At this time, the cuckoo bird could no longer push back. It suddenly jumped into the middle of the nest. Look at its round belly. It is exhausted and has no strength at all. The baby bird above finally took the most critical step. If it were another baby, I think 90% of them fell down. The baby bird above is lucky. It slowly moved back to the nest. The guy below can't lift his head. It is very tiring, but it is still very hard at this time. Is this little black baby lucky today?